Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you're able to spend some time with me here on A Slice and a Piece of Cake. Recently, I was in Courtenay, BC. I spotted these frozen meals that were reduced to clear at Quality Foods. Now, Quality Foods is owned by Pattison. Both of these were reduced to clear for $3.50. And the regular price on both of these were $6.99. I would never pay $6.99 for these. But $3.50, I didn't think that was too bad, considering these would only be a snack for me. These would not fill me. Today we're gonna get eating on the Wong Wing combo. They had 3 varieties that were reduced to clear. This one caught my eye. The other 2 both had vegetable rice. One was a teriyaki chicken. The other one was a pork with Chinese barbecue sauce. This one caught my eye, I think because of the egg roll. So this one has orange chicken and 2 vegetable egg rolls. I'm excited to get eating on this. I'm also excited for this Authentic Asia Thai green curry chicken with jasmine rice. Does that not sound absolutely delicious? Both of these are microwavable. The Wong Wing also has air fryer directions for the spring rolls. I'm definitely going to be air frying the spring rolls because microwavable soggy egg rolls just don't cut it. I do like the texture of a crispy egg roll. So let's take a closer look at these 2 frozen entrees that I picked up from Quality Foods. Both of these reduced to clear for $3.50, which is an amazing deal. I love the packaging on these. I love that it's a takeout box, Wong Wing. This is 284 grams, no artificial flavors or colors. Made with white meat, it says. It's recyclable, if that's important to you. Wong Wing, since 1948, proudly Canadian. So that's what we have here. We have 2 spring rolls and the orange chicken. I'm gonna be putting the egg rolls in the air fryer, and it does say remove egg rolls from pouch and place in air fryer basket. Heat for 6 minutes at 360 degrees. I guess we'll be flipping those halfway. At the same time, perforate top of chicken bites pouch 4 times. I think I spotted an error in the cooking direction. For the chicken, perforate it 4 times. Heat on high for 2 minutes. Under the air fryer and microwave instructions, the same thing, perforate the top of chicken 4 times. But then it says heat on high for 4 minutes, so that's not correct. We'll just go with the 2 minutes. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like you get 6 orange chicken balls. And you have your 2 vegetarian egg rolls. But it doesn't look like it comes with like egg roll sauce. But I guess we can also just dip it in this, the orange chicken sauce. Excited for this. I'm excited for this Authentic Asia green Thai curry chicken with jasmine rice. They also had a red one. Authentic Asia, authentic Thai cuisine. This is the Thai green curry chicken with jasmine rice. Product of Thailand. The heat level is 3 peppers. Ooh, it's gonna be quite spicy. This is 350 grams. There is a warning by Health Canada. It's high in saturated fats and sodium. I think I'm more a fan of like the green and yellow curries. So this is a product of Thailand. Tear up to open, okay. Oh, so it comes in a second box. Oh, I see. This has rice at the bottom. And the curry is in here. This is the curry. Remove the outer plastic film. Place on a non-metallic plate. Microwave on high for 5 to 6 minutes at a 900 watts or thoroughly heated. Carefully remove from microwave, remove the curry compartment from the box, then mix the curry and rice in the box thoroughly and enjoy. I am starving. I cannot wait to get eating. The egg rolls are done. We're just gonna let these rest, otherwise we're gonna have yeet hay. Let's microwave this. It says 5 to 6 minutes, but that's based on 900 watts. So I'll just microwave it for 3 minutes for now. I can definitely smell the green curry, and it's only been microwaving for a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and microwave the orange chicken. It says 2 minutes. I think with my microwave, it'll be ready in 1 minute. We're gonna put the green curry over the rice. Let's see if it's actually cooked. Steaming. That's what we're looking at. Let me see if this is cooked. Might need to nuke it some more. But see chicken pieces here. No, it's hot. We're gonna take out the green curry and we're gonna pour it over the rice. Oh, what is that? Maybe my microwave was a little hot. Look at this bubble there. That's from the packaging. Ooh. I think a better option is actually putting the rice and the curry on a plate. Probably healthier than this. In any case, let's go ahead and pour this curry on the rice. Want every bit of sauce to come out of here. So that's what we're looking at. That little plastic bubble gives me a little bit of concern, I will tell you. But it smells delicious. That's what that looks like. So these are the spring rolls. Okay, definitely recommend putting in your toaster oven or the air fryer, because it just would not be good if you just microwaved it. This is the orange chicken. So that's what that looks like. Again, this was ready in less than a minute in my microwave. My microwave is 1500 watts. A lot of sauce for the orange chicken. Yeah, I guess I'm tasting orange. Ooh, vinegary, lots of acidity. I think I want to start on the vegetarian egg rolls from Wong Wing. That's what that looks like. Now my friend has tried the egg rolls. You can just buy the egg rolls. She says they were pretty good, but I did air fry it for more than 6 minutes. I think I did 5 minutes on one side and then another 3 minutes on the other. So it's been resting. Let's get eating. Bon appetit. First bite, very doughy. I don't think I've gotten to the vegetable parts yet. I have another bite and then I'll kind of dip it in this. Let me dip it in the orange chicken sauce, since there's no egg roll sauce. I would suggest dipping it in the sauce. It's all right. Not blown away by it. I'm not complaining for $3.50. Okay, let's have a chicken ball. These are the nutrition facts. Per one package, 284 grams, it's 450 calories, 11 grams of fat, 32 grams of sugar, wow. And 1,130 milligrams of sodium, which is 49% of your daily value. That is super high. 5% or less is a little, 15% or more is a lot. So sodium 49%, sugar 32%. How many do you get in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 8 little balls in here. That's what we're looking at. It's orangey. It's vinegary. I wonder if that's actually mystery meat. The texture is very, not like chicken. Let's look at the ingredients. Breaded chicken, chicken breast, wheat flour, frozen egg white, water, canola oil, and salt. It didn't really have a texture of chicken. I guess it's actually chicken breast. It might be chicken breast, but the texture is a little weird. Okay. I would not pick that up for $6.99, but at $3.50, I'm not gonna complain. It's a nice little snack. I'm so excited for this authentic Asia green Thai curry chicken with jasmine rice. This is a bigger meal. This is 350 grams, whereas the Wong Wing is only 284 grams. All right, let's get eating. It smells delicious. I will give it that. And this is a product of Thailand. Just that plastic bubble part, a little concerning. But here goes. Bon appetit. Ooh, there is a kick. That's why there's 3 peppers. Ooh, it's delicious though. Nice green curry flavor. You can taste the chicken. Spice level, woo! This is a great snack for $3.50. I absolutely love just rice with sauce. Am I tasting lemongrass? Jasmine rice, green curry sauce, green bird's eye chili, garlic. Yeah, there is, you can definitely taste the lemongrass. Oh, wow. This, delicious. Absolutely worth the $3.50. Mmm. These are the nutrition facts. Per one package, 350 grams is 500 calories, 17 grams of fat, 6 grams of sugar, and 820 milligrams of sodium, which is 36% of your daily value. Sugars is only 6%. I think that was eggplant. It was absolutely delicious. Definite recommend the Authentic Asia. Oh my God. Wow. Mmm. Absolutely to die for. For something frozen, absolutely delicious. Now, I don't know if I would pay $6.99 for this either, but this Authentic Asia, definite green light. The Wong Wing, I'm gonna have to give this one a red light. I wouldn't pick it up again, and I definitely wouldn't pay $6.99 for this. If I had to spend $6.99 on one of these, it would be the Authentic Asia. This is delicious. Wow. Mmm. Should have picked up the red one too. Mmm. The only thing that's I didn't like was the bubbling off the packaging. But then maybe it's me because it did say 900 watts, I think. And mine is like a 1500 watt microwave. But wow. Oh, that is good. Even though I don't like too much heat, delicious. Mmm. I would definitely recommend. That was so good. Well, my friends, thank you so much for joining me here for a slice and a piece of cake. I hope you have an amazing day. As always, my friend, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Make sure you come back and join me here for another slice and a piece of cake. Delish, yum.